Hi, smart builders, I'm Noah from Construction Bay. Today we talk about Terex TC2800-1 mobile crane. The Terex TC2800-1 mobile crane stands out as one of the most versatile and powerful C-rains in the road construction industry. It's manufactured by Terex, a global leader in lifting and material handling solutions. This crane is designed to tackle the most challenging lifting operations. The TC2800-1 is equipped with a Liebherr D90408 diesel engine that delivers 544 horsepower. This, coupled with its maximum lifting capacity of 600 tons, enables it to handle heavy loads with ease. Its telescopic boom can reach a maximum length of 126 meters. Making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. One of the key features of the TC2800-1 is its all-wheel steering and all-wheel drive system. This gives it excellent maneuverability and stability, ensuring safe and efficient operation even in rough terrain. The operator's cabin of the TC2800-1 is designed with comfort and efficiency in mind. It offers excellent visibility, economic controls, and a comfortable seating arrangement. The cabin is also equipped with a state-of-the-art control system that provides real-time information on load, outreach, and other vital parameters. Maintenance is straightforward with the TC2800-1. Its modular design allows for easy access to all major components, and its advanced diagnostic system aids in timely and efficient maintenance operations. In terms of environmental impact, the TC2800-1's engine is designed to meet strict emission standards. The crane also features an eco mode that reduces fuel consumption during idle periods, making it a more sustainable choice. Thanks for lovely full watch. Subscribe for the next video. Give a like, comment, share, for inspire me. Thank you.